In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change canvas size in GIMP. If you've ever needed a little more room around your image for text, borders, or layout adjustments, changing the canvas size is the way to go. Think of the canvas as the frame that surrounds your image. Expanding or shrinking the canvas won't stretch or distort the image itself. It simply changes the space available around it. Start by opening your image in GIMP. Once it's on your screen, head to the top menu and click Image. From that drop-down, choose Canvas Size. This opens a dialog box where you'll make all the key adjustments. In the Canvas Size dialog, you'll see fields for width and height. These control the new dimensions of your overall workspace. Type in the exact values you want, or use the arrows to nudge them up or down. You can switch units if needed, like from pixels to inches, depending on how you plan to use the image. Keep in mind that increasing the canvas size adds space around your existing image, while decreasing it can crop parts of the image that fall outside the new boundaries. To help you decide exactly where your image should sit on the new canvas, use the preview box in the same dialog. This small window shows your image inside the updated canvas, so you can position it precisely. Click and drag the thumbnail in the preview to move the image around. This is especially helpful when you're adding space to one side for text or a logo, or when you want to crop from a specific edge without guessing. If you want your image perfectly centered on the new canvas, click the Center button. It instantly aligns the image in the middle, which is great for symmetrical layouts or when you're adding an even border on all sides. Take a quick moment to double-check your width and height and the image's position in the preview. Remember, expanding the canvas may reveal transparent areas around your image, which you can style later with backgrounds or shapes. Nothing about the image's quality changes here. Only the workspace size is affected. When everything looks right, click Resize to apply your changes. Your canvas updates immediately, and you'll see the new space or the refined crop in your main workspace. If you need to fine-tune anything, you can always reopen Canvas Size and adjust again. That's it. You've successfully changed the canvas size in GIMP, giving yourself a cleaner, more flexible layout to keep building your design.